How to use the blur tool in Krita. Krita doesn't have a blur tool in its toolbox like Photoshop does, but it does still have this feature. To use the blur tool, first select the brush tool in the toolbox. Then in the brush selector in the digital category, find the brush preset that is called Blender Blur. Now you can draw on the canvas with this brush to blur the canvas. The smudge tool is also a smudge brush in Krita. There are also others, like a brush to pixelate areas of an image and another blending brush preset. You may be wondering what makes these brushes behave different from normal brushes in Krita. If you click on this button to view the brush settings, you'll see that they use what is called the color smudge engine. The engine affects which settings the brush has available for you to configure. The most basic brush uses the quick brush engine and has almost no settings, while the average brush uses the pixel engine. This is how you use the blur tool in Krita. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.